We have just arrived here in Lincoln, where we are about to go and meet Philip Bean. Now, Philip Bean won this brand new 2022 Suzuki SV650 with us just a couple of weeks ago. Let's go and meet him. Oh, lots of dogs. Philip.
Morning.
How are we doing?
All right, thank you.
Good, good. Stuart from Apex 66. This is Dino.
All right.
Philip, it's arrived.
I know.
That special day.
Yeah.
It's been a couple of weeks. Apologies about that, but obviously
that's fine,
workshops are busy this time of year.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
Would you like to go and meet your brand new SV650?
I would, yeah, I'd love to.
Excited?
Yeah.
Good man, good man. Well, it's just up here. So, you feeling good?
I am feeling good, yeah.
And you've got the weather, so
Yeah.
potentially going straight out?
Yeah, I am.
There we go, brand new, fantastic. There is your brand new 2022 Suzuki SV650.
Still can't believe it.
It is real.
I'm still in shock, to be honest. It's unbelievable.
There we go, have a seat. Go and touch it, it's yours.
Oh, that's just perfect, yeah.
Yeah, and I think hopefully all the Apex 66 fans will agree. I think Phil chose the right colour, because obviously this was one of our competitions that had a choice of colours.
Yeah.
This was the one that we took all the photos with, etc., and did the video around. And I think going with the red frame matching the red wheels, I'd say you chose well, I would say. So
When you rung me, I still didn't believe it.
still don't believe. Well, you know, that's understandable. And how does it feel now that you're sat on the bike?
Just feels great.
Incredible, brilliant.
Great.
Good. Yeah.
Best day of my life, to be honest.
Best day of his life, how about that? Making dreams come true. So you've obviously entered into a competition with Apex 66. What made you take that plunge?
Well, basically, as you know, I used to have a bike before.
Yeah.
I sold it, and then I thought, this is a stupid thing to do.
Yeah.
You know, I should never have
sold it. Yeah, because it's hard getting back on them, isn't it?
Yeah, and you know, and then, as you know, I've entered a few of the bikes on Apex 66.
Yeah.
No joy, but I thought you got to keep trying.
Yeah, exactly. Keep it fun.
Yeah.
Keep it a bit of fun, and you never know. Listen, it's under £10, isn't it? You know, you've won yourself a brand new motorcycle. So, what more could you ask for? So, what would you say to somebody that has maybe seen an advert of Apex 66 for the very first time, a little bit unsure, as you said you were at the first?
I was,
what would you say to someone? Would you say go for it?
I definitely would now.
Go for it.
Yeah. You just. Yeah, it's like you said. You know, I paid my money. I took my chance.
Exactly.
You know, why not?
Why not?
Just do it.
That's my philosophy, exactly. Why not? Yeah, no, brilliant. Also, with every big bike winner at Apex 66, we offer an amount of money to charity.
Yeah.
And we'd like to do that, obviously, on this competition as well. Do you have a charity in mind that you'd like us to give that money to?
Yeah, cancer research.
Cancer research.
Yeah.
Well, it's a fantastic charity, do wonderful things for many, many people up and down the country. So it will be our pleasure to make sure we get that paid for you. Okay.
Yeah.
So there's a classic example of someone that basically sold his motorcycle, thought possibly would never get back into motorcycling, and for just £10, Philip has managed to get himself back on a bike. Not only a bike, a brand new Suzuki SV650. How about that? That's pretty cool, isn't it?
It is, yeah. Fantastic, you know.
Brilliant, thank you. Phil, I think the only thing left for me and Dean to say is congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy your bike, and I hope you have very, very many happy miles.
I will.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Enjoy.